In this video, you will learn how to create a seamless background tile using Photoshop. So the first thing you're going to do is open your Photoshop and create a new image. I'm going to create a new image called Seamless, and I'm going to make it 100 by 100 pixels, and then say OK. I'm going to zoom in on it so that I can see it a little bit better. And so first I'm going to fill it with a background color. Nice pale green color. And then I'm going to use a text embellishment to add a little image on it. I'm going to put it somewhere where it'll show up better. And first I'll rasterize that type so that it's actually an image and not text. And I'll drag it down so that it's around the middle. And you don't have to get it exact, it's just an eyeballing it because you're just trying to get it to match up. Then what I want to do, I like to select both of my fields and make sure that they are the same size by cropping them. You could use this right now as a seamless tile. However, it might not line up right, and it would probably end up looking pretty boring because all of the images would pretty much line up in little rows. So first, let's make it a little more interesting by adding a filter of offset to it. So we're going to offset this image, and as you can see in the preview, it's moving the leaf image off to the four corners because I offset it by half of the width and half of the height. In other words, 50 pixels right and 50 pixels down. So I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to make another one in the middle here again. Same leaf. I'm going to move this one more to the middle again so that we get a little bit more of an interesting field view. Then I'm going to save this file because now I have an image that will seamlessly tile up and create a fairly interesting image. So let's save this file, and I'm going to save it as a ping. So I'll call it seamless.ping. And I'm going to save. And then I'm going to switch to my HTML document. There are, of course, ways that you can save and view your seamless tile and see if it actually tiles correctly using Photoshop, but I'm more comfortable in HTML and CSS, so I'm going to do it in HTML. Actually, I'm going to set it to the body element, and I'm going to give that element the background with a URL of seamless.ping, because I know that's where I stored it. I'm not going to give it any other attributes. I'm just going to save it. And I'll switch to my web browser and go to that file, seamless.html, and I'm going to reload it. And as you can see, now we have a fairly nice looking seamless tile that we can use as a background. And that's how you create seamless background tiles using Photoshop.